Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I am going to talk to you about how to get paid to like YouTube videos. Guys, make sure if you like any of my videos, you hit the like button. You also make sure to subscribe as well as hitting the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, check out the first link in the description below. So getting into this, guys, this is a method of making money online with no money down. You can do this worldwide. You need absolutely no experience necessary. You can do this from a laptop, from a tablet, from a desktop, from your smartphone, whatever you want to use. As long as you have internet connection and a little bit of time, you are going to be able to see some money coming in from this method of making money online. So jumping into it really quickly, guys, we are going to go to a website called rapidworkers.com. Now, rapidworkers.com, like I said before, is a free sign up. It is ridiculously easy to sign up for this. I just made my account and it literally took me a couple minutes, as long as you have a working email. Now, guys, we all have emails that we don't know the passwords to and things like that. Don't use that one because you're going to have to do a verification link in your email, so make sure that you can get into the email that you're going to use. So we are on the jobs page, and I know that you can see that it's a couple cents per job. You know, $5 for joining is $1. The time that it's going to take is so crazy fast that you're going to be able to bang these jobs out super duper fast. So just looking through this, we're just going to take a look at some of the jobs, and as you can see, some of them are international, some of them are just USA, some are German, UK, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, international. So I have a lot of folks who follow me in other places, and they go, hey, Digital, you know, can we do this over here in Africa? Can we do this over here in Europe? And I say, you know what, let me just double check for you. But this is one that you can do from anywhere. You just got to take a look and make sure that it coincides with what country you are in. So let's just take a quick look here. Just a bunch of them. So every few minutes you can refresh and you're going to have new jobs to do. But what you're going to do is you are going to look for jobs that say, you know, watch the video, subscribe, like, comment on YouTube, and things like that. You just saw a whole boatload of them. YouTube, watch the video, like it, comment, subscribe. So it's really quick, it's really easy, you can make a little bit. I know that a few cents doesn't seem like a lot, but once you start banging through these jobs, it's going to start adding up really quick. YouTube channel, subscribe, fast, easy payment. I'm assuming they probably want you to like it too. Another one, YouTube job, fast, easy payment. So you're going to be able to make a bunch of money just liking and subscribing. YouTube, watch video, like it, comment, subscribe. Just sitting here on your computer, your laptop, your smartphone. Now, if you're worried you don't want to be doing these lower price jobs, you can filter the payments of the jobs out, which let me filter it out for you really quick. And we'll just do $2.75. So they have one. All you have to do is download an app on your iPhone and you get $2.75. Let's do $1.75. They have one for exactly $1.75. All you have to do is take a survey. Let's do $1 here. There's a few of them that you can do for $1. It's hot dating site of the world. I'm assuming all you have to do is just sign up for it and you get $1. Download this file. Now this one is international and you get $1 just for downloading something. So guys, this is an awesome, easy peasy way of making money online. 5 cents. There's a boatload of them for 5 cents. So it's really quick, it's really easy, and you're going to be able to bang through these jobs super duper fast. Way to make a little bit of money online. I don't believe you're going to get rich off this. That's why I urge you all the time to check out my #1 recommendation in my description if you really want to be able to make the big bucks. But if you're looking for a little extra cash on the side, you want to do it from home, you don't have any money to put down, Rapid Workers is a great site to look at. It's very reputable. They have tutorials on it. You can deposit money, you can withdraw money, you make your own account. There's certain campaigns that you can make of your own. It's really awesome, and it really does pay out. It pays out in cash, so you don't have to worry about, getting, credits or tokens or coins. This actually does work and pay you. Um, if you didn't find any jobs that you really liked on Rapid Workers, I strongly urge you guys to check out Pico Workers, which I'm going to hop over to. Now, as you can see, I have already made an account through Pico Workers. And I actually have a 75-cent balance already, and I have not completed any jobs. They actually give you 75 cents just to sign up for it. Um, so now that we're looking on here, there are 314 jobs available on Pico Workers, and there are new jobs that are available every few hours. So you will never, ever, ever run out of jobs to do. So it says jobs with more than 60 positions are in color. So right now I'm sorting by the newest jobs on here, and they pay about the same as the other site, but like I said, they're really crazy easy to do. Um, and I believe this is also an international site that you can use to make money online. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you're still going to be able to sit at your computer, sit on your iPhone, sit on your Android, and be able to make money. Now, these jobs are ridiculously easy. And like I said, I'm sorting through the newest right now. And I just refreshed my page, so obviously I lost the jobs that I was trying to show you. But click, search, click, there's Pinterest, so, Quora, there's Twitter ones, YouTube, comment, reply. There's going to be other YouTube, subscribe, comment, share. So like I said, guys, just by watching these videos, commenting, liking, subscribing, things of that nature is going to pay off for you in the long run. If you're somebody that sits on YouTube all day, every day, and just goes through video after video after video, why not get paid even if it's a couple cents each time? All you have to do is like it and then move on to the next job. Gmail, create an account. You get paid 8 cents just to create a Gmail account. If I got paid 8 cents for every Gmail account I had, I might be a little richer than I am right now. I have quite a few of them. So once you get on the site, I really do like this one because you're able to sort through the newest jobs and then you can also sort through the highest paying jobs here. So now that we're sorting through the highest paying jobs, their times are about 54 minutes. Sign up bonus is about 75 cents. And these pay, 96 cents. What you're going to do is you're going to sign up, you're going to install and activate a device. There's dating sites that they want you to sign up for and confirm tasks. So there are iOS app downloads to install. All you have to do is download an app, install it onto your phone, and you get paid 50 cents. Money frame sign up, that's 50 cents. So this is really quick and easy. If I'm going to be using Pico Workers, I would probably sort by the higher paying ones because like I said, guys, these jobs are really, really quick and easy, and you're going to be able to instantly start bringing money into your account. So it's really easy, guys. It's as simple as that. You sign up for these free accounts, you activate it, you go into your email, you click the activation page, you get yourself signed in, and you can start working that quick, that easy. So what you're going to do is say I want to download and install. I'm going to click on it. So what it wants me to do is what did I do? Click on the dating site one. Oops. Sorry, guys. Android app. So all you need to know before continuing with these small jobs is my statistics. So they're going to ask you this, they're going to do that, and then you can start working. That quick, that easy, that simple. So it's really awesome, guys. And once you complete these jobs, what they're going to want to do is they're going to want you to take a screenshot and send it in for proof that you have completed all of these jobs. Without the proof of completing the jobs and making sure that you do it exactly the way that they say that they want you to complete these jobs, you will get paid. This is really quick, really easy, international. You can do it from the coffee shop. You can do it while your kids are running around the house, but just make sure that you have proof that you have completed all of the jobs on there. Great, guys. Well, it is as simple as that. I am super happy that you guys have lasted through this entire video. If you like my videos, please like them. Make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. Um, if you want to know my #1 recommendation, making money online, it's the first link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for me, guys. Thanks for watching.